Hi guys, welcome to our LTV channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to hide your subscribers counts for your YouTube channel. So let's open our browser and search youtube.com, and after that, after your channel will load, just click your profile or the profile of your channel, this one at the top right side, and click Creator Studio, and after that click this one, channel. Scroll down and go to advanced, this one, and scroll down again and search for subscribers counts, this one guys. Just click this one, do not display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So just click this one guys. After that, you're done. So this is the last step guys, just click save. So we click save. So it's done guys. So we check our channel if there is no subscribers count. So this is now my channel guys on my YouTube app. As you can see guys, there is no subscribers count that display on my YouTube profile. So I hope you learned this video guys on how to hide subscribers. So I think that this video will help you to gain more subscribers. So thank you guys, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can notify if I have new videos. So thank you guys.